Steel iPad. We're gonna filter this out. Red folders only. USD only. And we already know first week of the month, March 3rd, is NFP week. First week of the month, NFP week. Okay, yeah, apply filter. Apply settings, okay. Starting Monday, March 3rd through Friday, March 7th. March 3rd, we have ISM. I'll probably just skip to the end of this. And the first stock I shall do is, Jesus Christ, Bank of America went up $2 on Friday. What the fuck? We're gonna start with Bank of America. We might have to add some new levels to that, John. We'll probably have to add new levels to that one. B, A, C. All right, now we get down to the nitty gritty. We get down to the nitty gritty. All right, B, A, C. Stick with your boy, stick with your boy.
Here's a choice of food and drink to satisfy anyone. And
first thing I want to determine is my trend on the weekly time frame. And we're here. Boom. Pull back. Boom. Pull back. Stayed above my level of structure here. So we're gonna call that bullish. Bullish, okay? And now I'm just gonna write 1 to 2 sentences of what I see in the market. Not what I think, but what the market has printed and what the market is showing me present time right now. Price DTs, weekly zone. And pull back, and pull it back, retest of weekly level at 43.75 before wicking off level, and price double top off my weekly zone here and pull back for a retest of 43.75 before wicking and forming a higher low and closing bullish. Boom. Next time frame, the daily. That's crazy. Bullish. Structure is bullish. What do we see price do? After retesting weekly level, price on the morning star and engulfed past 5 bearish candles. Look at this structure. We see more structure here on the daily time frame, but I don't even have it charted off yet. This is how I farm precise levels, like 43.75. Precise levels.
Ice cold cola and orange drink goes great with an order of crispy French fries. Then there's a wide selection of your favorite.
Lock that on there. Boom. Just like that. Closed. Just below. Daily level at 46.20. And now we go down to the H4. And the H4 is the the last time frame I'll do this for. This is the lowest time frame I like to analyze until the market opens. When the market opens, I'll hit the 2 hour and 1 hour, and I'll hit it if I feel like it's necessary to find certain levels, but usually weekly, daily, 4 hour levels are it for me. You can see right here, weekly level hit, 2 weekly levels, a trend line. I'm gonna zoom out on this trend line, even though you already saw it. Trend line, weekly level, and now we're right at the daily level. So I keep it simple, just read the structure. Just wait for the pattern to play out. Sometimes you have to be a little late to the party, not extremely late, but late enough to see that the party is like go actually be jumping, like for real. You just can't. You don't want to be the first person at the party. You want to let the crowd build up, let the playlist get fire, and then you hit that jump in and out before things get too crazy. And that's how you treat the market. But I digress. H4, we already know that's gonna be bullish. But from here, I expect something like, yeah, so after resistance is hit, we expect a higher low to be formed because that's the structure of the market. If it's gonna go up, it has to form a higher low. But we're gonna look at something that didn't really respect that at all. Sometimes the market's just illogical and it just doesn't care about anything you got going, or bills or rent or girlfriends, or they just don't care. So respect the market, be careful, because it don't respect us. But I digress. We'll delete this field because we're not predicting the future. The only thing we can predict is that structure has to be played out. H4 bullish without a higher low. Boom, 4 hour done. Okay, so now we can get to the real fun part. Where would I like to enter into this market? So my two options was something like this. As I was saying, price needs to form a higher low. Boom. I'll either wait for my higher low. I'm gonna do it just on my trend line, just to be nice and pretty. Boom. Boom. This is my setup that I would trade, and I will only trade the buy because overall we are in a bullish market, as we can see on the weekly, daily, and H4 time frame. So I would like to get in on a higher low being formed around here. Do something like that. Or if the market just takes off, we would have to wait for the break and retest above our new, or our would-be new level of structure. Yeah, and boom. With these steps, it keeps me out of so-so markets. Lock in, be disciplined. We got a higher low created here at a daily level of structure. And this is gonna be where I throw in that Fibonacci tool just to measure out everything. So boom, hit resistance, pull back 78, daily level, and go past 61. And now we are here. So this orange level will be my buy area. But when we zoom in, yeah, we need price to, honestly don't like this gap here, but price already made my structure. So we can get a buy either after a retest of here or like the wick below / liquidation price loading up before the continuation off my daily level or my daily zone before my monthly level. If that makes sense. I think that makes sense. The liquidation below, traders think it's going up, they get kicked out, it hits another level below my level where it's actually ready to buy, and that's where I would wait for my entry signal. But yeah, boom, WBD, something like that. AT&T, I'm actually kind of mad at it because this bitch has just been running. Like, look at this shit on a daily. Like, no serious pullbacks on the daily. I tried to sell it down here, it didn't work. I was expecting it to sell after it fucked around at this resistance here. I didn't actually take it to sell. But yeah, I was thinking I was gonna sell after fucking around here, but we are still bullish. So with something like this, it's so overbought. Like, look at this, it's so high. It's just so high, no pullback. So with something like this, I'm honestly just gonna wait until a clear resistance is hit, until like some bearish structure is formed, at least on my 4 hour. Because it's too high for me to buy right now. But I wouldn't mind a buy. Like, we don't have to buy to the next level. We could do something short. Like a pullback here. Or we could do something like that. And that would be my buy. But honestly, I would prefer the sales. Just cause it's just so high. With my sale, I would do something like that. Or my buy would be a quick in and out. Just cause the market is so high already. But this is honestly pretty low on my trade list for the week. This thing is actually at the bottom. Boom. WBD, we already looked at Bank of America. Quick little scan. Let's check out NEO. Some solid structure on the 4 hour, consolidated, broke out, pulled back to form a higher low at the highs of the consolidation level. But this will be my trade. What was on this? Yeah. So for this, I want something like boom, boom, and kaboom. I'm in that thing right there. After the retest of my daily, Bank of America, we got that. AT&T is shitty right now. And for WBD, so I might even throw it up here just to be safe. But honestly, I'm not really liking this market right here. So this probably is pretty low on my trading list. My two favorites of the week are Bank and NEO. But oh, and I don't trade on Mondays. Today's Monday, March 3rd. So I have all my levels drawn up. I have my setups planned. And I'll wait until the market plays out on Monday. And on Tuesday, I'll check back in and execute on my setups. Check back in, update the charts. I already did this earlier while I was out sipping tea. I don't think I had to change anything for Bank of America. I'm just still waiting for my lower high to be formed, somewhere around here. It might touch my trend line again, which would be beautiful, but I kind of don't even expect it to. I would expect more something like, like a little higher, little around here type-ish. NEO, my second favorite. NEO, I originally had my buys, I think like up here, Yeah, market just melted down some more. We gotta be careful with Neo. We don't want to get overly committed to the buys. Probably something to do this now. Yeah. WBD. Low key cooking. But I think it has a gap to fill. That doesn't mean it will fill it, but it has a gap just above my 61.8 PRZ level. So yeah, that's why my potential buy area is here around this 4-hour zone. It's 61.8 PRZ level, but it's not my favorite. And this is just, I don't even have a trade on AT&T because this thing is just running like crazy. It's disrespectful. And yeah, that is all. Market opens in 15 minutes. Shit, let's get it. I think Neo might be my only potential buyer for the day. WBD not bad. I'm gonna put that a second. We still need bank to fall, and AT&T is just, we need AT&T reverse. I need the revenge trade on AT&T. So after that thing reverses after, I don't know, going crazy, we're gonna get in for the shorts on that if it's even possible. But I just need to make some money from sales. Just total revenge trades. But yeah, I'm gonna chill. I'll give him a little call with my best friend before market open. And shit, if I get in the trade, there'll be a trade review. And if I don't,
Beautiful.
we just doing a quick little update on the market. It is currently Thursday, March 6th. Market opens in 30 minutes. And this was my trade from yesterday on Neo. But I'll do a separate trade review on that later. Completely different video. But this is the trade, boom, plus 50%. And yeah, we're just gonna look at my new established buy levels. We'll start with WBD. We'll start with this one. Because I'm actually thinking about entering WBD today. Market opens in 30 minutes and it's already around my entry level. It's just a simple break and retest of my trend line / monthly level. Boom. Boom. Break. Retest. Entry. Buy. Exit. Simple, right? Alright, next we got Neo. And this will be my buy level here. The exact same thing. I'm a little bit of a rush because I haven't had anything to eat all day. It's 9 o'clock at night and I haven't had anything to eat all day. So boom, past my 4-hour level, retest this level here, entry for the buys. The exact same thing. The market is what you make it. If you keep it simple, it'll be simple, and I'm keeping it simple. Higher lows, boom. Next we have Bank of America, which just tanked. I was expecting the sales off my daily level, but I was not expecting it to fill in this gap. It filled in a gap from like 2 months ago, I think. Boom. 123 days, 4 months. Okay. So yeah, 4 months ago, this happened. And I remember looking at it, I was like, damn, like, I had the buys coming off of here, boom, but it formed a higher low here and just gapped up and took off. The market just likes to fill in its gaps. It's a common thing we'll see in the stock market, but I don't know about other markets so much. But stocks gap every day. God damn it. Next, we got my baby girl, AT&T. Earlier I said I wanted the revenge sale, but as we can see, shit, there was no room for entry. I mean, here, this double top here could have been an entry, but yeah. And it's just boom, 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 slow down, and it'll probably keep fucking falling, like, cause this gap, this is probably 4 months ago as well. Oh no, only a month ago. Okay, so, oh yeah, we zoomed in. Only a month ago, so it'll probably fall and fill in this gap here, to be honest. You can see I took 2 sales, thinking it was forming like a shoulder here, shoulder. Boom, faked me out, took 2 sales. And now, I'm honestly, price pulls back to $26.90. I'm definitely getting in for that sale, but we're here. I honestly wouldn't like the fall and retest for the sales. I mean, it wouldn't be bad, but I'll prefer to boom and then to get the sales in. But yeah, we're expecting AT&T to fall at least to like 22.80 around here, filling that gap. And yeah, that is all. This market opens in 25 minutes. I'm about to smash on this good Thai food. And I got WBD at the top of my list. I got WBD at the top, bank at the bottom. We'll put AT&T third.